Congratulations, you've completed level 7 or lesson 7, and in my teaching supplies, lesson 7 is the end of level 1. You're now ready to start level 2, and in level 2 we have to remember everything we did in level 1. So all of those first lessons, all 7 of them, we still have to do those same things, but now we're going to add something new. If you notice here on the board, I have a new figure. Notice it right there. Maybe I ought to circle it for you. Right there. That's a new figure. It looks like an X with a bar through the middle of it. It has a name. We call it star. Star is our new one. Star, if I'm going to draw it by hand, is going to be an empty triangle. If I'm going to put it on the grid, I'm going to use the white. That's going to be tough to see now. I'm going to use the white peg. So the white peg is star. The blue peg is X. So I got X and I got star. Or if I'm doing it on the board, I've got X is a blue triangle. I got star, the empty triangle. Okay, now that we got that figured out, get that out of the way, let's see a problem. So we might have a problem that looks like this. 2 times the quantity of 3 star plus 1 equals 2 star plus 10. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do that on the chart. So I need 3 star and a 1. But I need 2 of these, so I need another 3 star and a 1. So that's my left-hand side. I got my 2 3 stars and a 1. On the other side, I have the 2 stars and a 10. So there's my problem. I don't need any of the X's. Might keep that other disc close by. So now, what do? I've got 2 stars on the right. And I got at least 2 stars on the left. I'm going to move them down off of my graph there a little bit. Now I've got 4 stars and these 2 1s equaling the 10. Well, the 10 could be, can I do it on these 2? I can't do it on these 2. 10 could be an 8 and 2 1s. So I'm going to take the 2 1s off and leave it as an 8. So now I have 4 stars having to equal 8. So each star must be 2. Let's check that out. I'm going to put everything back up where it belongs. Okay, each star is 2. So my prediction is that star is 2. Now, I could do that up here as well. You know, I could have done 1, 2, 3 stars and a 1. Oop, get over there. 1, 2, 3 stars and a 1, and then 2 stars and a 10. Okay, up here I can say it, yeah, 10 is really 8, 1, and 1, so I'm going to get the 10 out of the way. So now we can see it. I can take a star off from both sides. I can take a second star off from both sides. I can take a 1 off from both sides. I can take a 1 off from both sides. I'm left with 4 stars equaling 8. So star would be 2. Now, to check it, remember, we got to go back to the original equation. Oops. I'm trying to move these all at one time. 2 stars and a 10. So over here, I've got 2, 2, 2 plus the 1. And I got 2, 2, 2 plus the 1. So I've got 6 plus 1 and 6 plus 1. That gives me a 7 and a 7. So on the left-hand side, I got a 14. On the other side, I've got a 2 plus a 2. Those are together to give me a 4 plus the 10. I get 14 on the right-hand side. They're equal. That works out. Now, if I was doing it with the symbols, remember I would do a cross off the 1s, cross off the 10, colon an 8. I would flip those up, saying they're getting out of there, so those are gone. Or if you want, you could, cross them off, but they're triangles, so it's hard to see the cross off on a triangle. So we put the arrows on there saying they're gone, they're out there. Okay, so there's one problem. Let's try another problem real quick. Oh, this one looks like a bit of a challenge. I got 5 star, take away 2 star equals star plus 8. So let's go to our board here. I got to have 5 stars. Ooh, that's quite a bit. So get them up there. Take away 2 stars. Remember, I take them away, I get them off the board altogether. They're gone. And then I got a star and then 8. So you're going to set up like that. So I got 3 stars and a star and an 8. Because I had the 5 stars, took away 2 stars. Well, now I can move 2 stars off the grid right now so I can work at it. So I got 2 stars equaling an 8. Star must equal 4. Now, I can do it up here too. Remember how we do that? Whoops. Let me undo that last one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. I bring them in. Then I got to take away 2 stars. So I'm going to get rid of 2 stars. Okay. Then on the other side I have a star and an 8. Remember, that's how we do those. We bring all of them in, then if it says subtract, we take them off, we get them off overboard. We even can just delete them. And now we move the 2 stars off. 2 stars equals 8, so star is 4. So now when I check it, I've got 4 plus 4 plus 4, and 4 plus 8. This gives me 12. There's the 3 of them, they get me 12. 12 is 12. Ooh, this looks like the big long problem. Okay, so here's one more. 3 plus 2 stars. Oops. I did not set that up. That's right. Plus 2 stars equals 2 stars. Take away a star plus 4. So this one down here is gone because it was a takeaway. So I have 3 plus 2 stars, and then 2 stars take away 1 star. It left me with 1 star on the side and then a 4. So the stars can come off. I got a star plus 3 equaling 4. So star must equal 1. And if I check it, put those back up, I got 3 plus 1 plus 1. I got 2 of these, so it's 3 plus 2. That gets me a 5 on this side. And 1 star plus 4 on that side gets me a 5. 5 equals 5. That checks out. That's a new thing. We have this new thing called star. And star is just going to be the white pawn.